Vetrart was founded in 1990 near Venice by the mastery of Daniele Bagnara. Over the years, the company became one of the top brands in luxury decorative home accessories all over the world. Through the years, the market demanded different products. That's why Vetrart opened a new department, a luxury lighting one. At the same time, the company developed also in the production of glass components for third party. Glass blowing is carried out manually or by means of a lathe template. However, cutting, grinding and drilling or decoration operations such as spray painting, sandblasting and decal are also carried out. The constant collaboration with designers, architects and design studios make it possible to offer stylish and truly unique products. Due to the borosilicate glass versatility, Vetrart can produce high-performance lighting groups suitable for any style, entirely customizable in shapes and color to create a unique piece of art. Vetrart offers comprehensive full service to their customer, from design to sample development, production and after-sales service, even including on-site assembly services. Last but not at the least, the company provides their own photovoltaic system to produce more than 80% of the required power to operate, reusing recyclable packaging for its products to have a lower environmental impact. Vetrart products are 100% made in Italy.